Export your animated icon on Figma the simplest and easiest way possible. First, we're gonna go to design and make sure that we select frame. Once you select frame, you're gonna click on this right next to layout. See, now we don't really have any more extra space around the toggle. And the reason we did that, because once you deliver your design to whomever is gonna work on it next, for example, let's say you're gonna deliver it to developers, they don't really need any unnecessary extra space. They only need the space that's containing the icon that they are gonna work on. And in order to get rid of this white background, all we need to do is to make sure that you've selected frame and you go scroll down to fill and you click on the minus right next to it. Now we don't have any background. Now one last thing that you wanna do to export your icon is to scroll down to export, and you make sure that you've clicked on animated and then you select SVG, and then we click on export frame. Now you might want to rename your icon, and I'm gonna rename it as toggle SVG. Now let's test what we've exported. It's working perfectly fine. That's it for today. If you like this episode, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode of Pixabike.